Hi guys, let me show you how to make this authentic Ghanaian shito, which you can actually use it as a condiment for your yam, rice, pasta and many more during this festive season. So kindly watch to the end as I take you through the process, okay? So these are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have oil and we will be using enough oil, salt, fish powder, ginger, garlic, powdered pepper, and you can actually use chili flakes, onion, and we will be using enough of that too. So I have my spices, and this one is all natural blends, which I already have the video and I will be posting it very soon. So in a blender, I will go in with my onions, garlic, ginger, and then add oil instead of water to blend it to your preferred consistency, and this process will help your frying process to be fast and easy as possible. So after blending, transfer it into a pot or a pan on medium heat, guys. And here we are going to fry this onion till it is moist free. As you know, we still have water in the onions. So here, make sure to be stirring it from time to time because we don't want it to burn. If not, the shito will be bitter and we don't want it to stick to the pan as well. So keep on stirring it till you see oil floating on top just like this, and it means your onion is okay for you to continue to the next level. So next I am going to add my fish powder, shrimp powder, powdered pepper, and as I said earlier, you can use chili flakes as well, or you can add the powdered pepper and then add chili flakes too. So I added salt to taste, and I am going to add my all-purpose blends. And with this all-purpose blends, it made the shito. Just try your hands on my all-purpose blend and you'll thank me later. And I am going to post the video very soon, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video so other people can also benefit from this recipe, okay? So I am going to mix everything, and lest I forget, I added Aromate seasoning and you can find it nearby you, okay? So I am going to give it a proper mix till everything is well combined. I was testing it to see if the seasoning and salt was on point. So here, lower your heat and stir continuously. The goal is to have moist-free shito, okay? So keep on stirring till it is dark in color as you prefer. So we are going to continue frying this for 30 to 40 minutes on low heat. So allow it to simmer, okay? So here I am okay with the consistency and my shito is ready, guys. So I will allow it to cool down completely before transferring it into an airtight container, and just look at this shito into a condo. You can add more oil to it so that it will cover your container if you want to store it for at least 3 months on the counter, okay? And everything is set. Thank you guys for watching this video to this very end. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share this video for me, okay? See you in the next one. Bye bye.